Alright guys, this is my Fuel X6 you are looking at right now. It's 2014 model. Its grip is Ergon JA2 with Z brakes front and rear. Here is my handlebar, warhead, and zero nuke-proof zero for my stem. I'm still running with a Raycon fork 120mm travel FSA Orbit 2 Ascend seat post, dropper seat post, and then I using Diamondback uh, saddle. Here is my RockShox Monarch. Both of my suspension are running in stuck by the bike itself. Then here is my nuke-proof Neutron pedal, NX crank, 32 teeth, 1x11 setup. I'm running Maxxis the HR2 for my rear, and a nuke-proof Neutron rim, 29 mil internal diameter. So in front I'm running Maxxis the HF. I like this combination because of the grip. There my Z4 piston and my X-Top 180 running in a Hope Pro 4, both in front and rear wheels. Here is my rear Z and our X-Top 160. Thank you guys for watching.